Assalamu alaikum everyone and Pakhair Ragla. This is Fahad and I hope you're all doing well. This is a camera comparison video of the S25 Ultra versus the S24 Ultra. Technically, both these phones have a similar main camera sensor and the telephoto sensors, and the only difference is the ultra wide camera that is bumped up on the S25 Ultra from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels. Now let's do a side by side comparison of the different photos that I took at different zoom levels. Remember, I took these images using native 12 megapixel resolution on both phones. Normal daylight photos की अगर बात करें, so both of these phones produce well detailed and saturated images, and the S25 Ultra is a bit on the warmer side, whereas the S24 Ultra appears a bit colder. डिफरेंस आपको तब फील होता है जब आप ह्यूमन सब्जेक्ट फोटोग्राफी अगेंस्ट सनलाइट करते हैं in harsh backlighting condition. And right away you'll feel the difference on the ultra wide camera of the S25 Ultra. It produces more details and has better dynamic range. And the glare is there, but it's minimal. The S24 Ultra suffers from the glare and image में noise भी काफ़ी है, and also image appears to be much softer on the ultra wide sensor of the S24 Ultra compared to the S25 Ultra. Coming to the main lens, both of these have a very similar image sensor on the main camera. But again, dynamic range is better on the S25 Ultra and noise भी काफ़ी controlled है on the S25 Ultra, whereas the S24 Ultra again suffers from image noise and overexposed background. 3x telephoto lens पर भी S25 Ultra against the sunlight better perform करता है with better exposure and dynamic range, and against the sunlight colors look close to natural on the S25 Ultra. Whereas S24 Ultra पे आपको बैकग्राउंड के हाईलाइट्स ब्लोन आउट मिलेंगे एंड कलर्स भी थोड़े अननेचुरल निकल के आते हैं अगेंस्ट द सन. 5x टेलीफोटो पे S24 Ultra सन ग्लेयर से काफ़ी सफ़र करता है एंड एक्सपोजर को मेंटेन नहीं कर पाता प्रॉपर्ली अगेंस्ट द सनलाइट, एंड कलर्स भी काफ़ी टिल्टेड देखने को मिलते हैं. Whereas the S25 Ultra performs significantly better against the sunlight and फेस की डिटेल्स भी काफ़ी अच्छे से मेंटेन कर पाता है along with dynamic range. 10x cropped zoom पे again S25 Ultra performs better in harsh lighting conditions, and the S24 Ultra overexposed the image and highlights are blown out. I also tested the autofocus speed on both, and surprisingly the S24 Ultra had a faster autofocus compared to the S25 Ultra. And also the S25 Ultra had a significant shutter lag compared to the S24 Ultra. Video stabilization on 1080p 60fps might be a little bit better on the S25 Ultra compared to the S24 Ultra. फोर के 60fps पे स्टेबलाइजेशन मैंने दोनों का टेस्ट किया एंड S25 Ultra पे मुझे स्टेबलाइजेशन स्लाइटली बेटर फील हुआ. अगर आप इन इमेजेस को डाउनलोड करके इनके डिटेल्स देखना चाहते हैं तो जी ड्राइव का लिंक वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन में गिवन है. तब तक के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में.